Good morning, students. So today here we discuss a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is what? Sets. So now here actually what is said before we start this set chapter. Now where we have to use these sets actually. First of all, we have to know this one. So sets mainly we use in our day-to-day life, like in the concept of relation and function. This sets is very important. Is it clear? Mainly in the chapter, especially here in sequence and series, probability and geometry, these sets concepts are required here actually. Overall, in each and every place of mathematics, the sets required. Is it clear? Sets to ki hoy amar mathematics or jiman bilak part ase sobote amar dorkar hoy. Sets নহলে আমি একো কামে কৰিব নোৱাৰো। মেইনলি ইয়াত যদি তুমি চোৱা ক্লাস 11 ৰ তোমালোকৰ যিবিলাক চেপ্টাৰ আছে সেটছৰ পিছতে আছে ৰিলেশন এণ্ড ফাংশন। তাত ৰিলেশন এণ্ড ফাংশনত তোমাৰ সেটছ দৰকাৰ হ'বই। তেনেকে তোমাৰ পিছলেও তোমাৰ সেটছ লাগিয়ে থাকিব, প্ৰবাবিলিটিত লাগিব, জিওমেট্ৰিত লাগিব। তো এই কাৰণে ইয়াত আমি সেটছটো ভালকে বুজি পাব লাগিব। আৰু ভেৰি সিম্পল chapter here এখানে তোমালোকৰ এটা নাম্বাৰ 1 আছে। সেটছ টু তোমালোকৰ বহুত ইজি চেপ্টাৰ হয়, তো এটো আমি বুজি পাবৰ কাৰণে বহুত কমফৰ্টেবল হ'ব। তো লেটস সি হিয়াৰ হাউ ক্যান উই স্টার্ট দিস ওয়ান। সো ফার্স্ট অফ অল sets and their representation, or if we can say its representation, so whatever you say. So yet sets eta ami keneke represent korim, and what is sets and how can we represent this one. Actually what here in our day-to-day life, suppose lots of people are gathering in one place. Suppose বহুত খিনি মানুহ একেলগে গোট খাই আছে একেটা জায়গাতে, তো সেই গোটে প্লেসটো আমি এটা সেটস বুলি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব পাৰো। লাইক মই অলৰেডি তোমালোকৰ এক্সাম্পল ক্লাছৰুমৰ এক্সাম্পল দিছিলো। এটা ক্লাছৰুমৰ ভিতৰত যিমানখিনি ষ্টুডেন্ট সোমাই আছে গোটে ক্লাছৰুমটোক আমি কি বুলি ক'ব পাৰো? এটা সেটস বুলি ক'ব পাৰো। Is it clear? So here sets means what? A collection of well defined objects. Is it clear? Collection of well defined objects. তামনে এটা অবজেক্টস বিলাক কি হয়? সাপোজ তোমাৰ এটা ক্লাছৰুম ললা, ক্লাছৰুমটোৰ ভিতৰত যিমানখিনি ষ্টুডেন্ট সোমাই আছে সেই ষ্টুডেন্টখিনি ইউনিক ষ্টুডেন্ট, কোনো কাৰ লগত মেল নাই। তামনে হেখিনিক আমি কি বুলি ক'ব পাৰো? Well defined. So that's why a set is a collection of well defined objects. Is it clear? Okay, now in mathematics how can we apply this term here, well defined objects? Suppose if you see an example, suppose if we write n, capital letter N. N is what? A natural number, is not it? So n means what? A natural number. So this one is, we can say here, a set of all natural numbers. So natural numbers start from 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 এনেকে আমি যিমানখিনি নাম্বার লিখিম হেখিনি কি হল কাউন্টার আহিব, ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার আন্ডার আহিব। So that's why this one is a set here. A set of all natural numbers, that means this one. Similarly if we write r means what? Real numbers. So in this way we can write here a set of all real numbers. In this way we write. Similarly if you write q, then it is a rational number. Then if we write z or I, then it is integer. Or in this way if we write r positive, that means r positive, that means this one we represent as a positive real numbers. Is it clear? So in this way lots of sets are there we can define in our mathematics. Is it clear? Okay, now after this sets here in mathematics mainly we need this one. So from here we can say easily the definition here. If anyone asks you what is set, then we have to say a set is a collection of well defined objects. For example, the rivers of India, the states of India. So that means these are what? A well defined objects. There we get well defined objects, so that's why these are known as sets. Suppose in a classroom, if we represent the classroom by A, and here some students are there, suppose the student, the name of this student is suppose small letter A, then how can we represent? If A present in this set, if suppose this A, small letter A present in this set, so how can we represent this one? We can represent this one, A belongs to A. This symbol read as, we read as A belongs to A. That means the meaning is what here? This A, small letter A is the element, and this capital letter A is what? The set. Element bila khoda small letter A di represent kore, aru set bila khoda capital letter A di. Aru majot je symbol do likhisu eto epsilon hoy, eto Greek word, and this one is read as A belongs to A. Is it clear? তাৰ মানে ইয়াত meaning to কি হল a set to কি আছে small letter a element to আছে. Is it clear? Suppose a element to ইয়াত আছে. Suppose আমি ধৰি ললো যে b element to নাই ইয়াত. Suppose b element to a set 8 9. Then how can we represent? If a is not here, or suppose here b is not here in this set a, then in this case what you have to write? We have to write b does not belongs to a. যদি প্রেজেন্ট থাকে তেতিয়াহলে আমি belongs to a লিখিম, আর যদি প্রেজেন্ট না থাকে তেতিয়াহলে আমি কি লিখিম? does not belongs to. That means this one is read as b does not belongs to a. Is it clear? This one is about belongs to and does not belongs to. Is it clear? So after this, next one is here the sets actually we represent in two ways or two method. Already we discussed this one. So this one, the first one is roster or tabular method, and the second one is set builder method. There are mainly two methods are there. A set we can represent in two ways, roster method or tabular method, and the second one is what? Set builder method. So first one is, if we write here the roster method, if you see this one, roster method or tabular method, then let's see what we have to do here. Roster method. The roster method ami ki korim sir. So if we consider a set A and which contains some elements A, B, C, D, we just consider an example. Suppose at a set A asile aru he A set to under চাৰিটা element asile A, B, C, D, and these elements are, if we write in between two curly bracket and separated by comma. Remember, only curly bracket, not simple or big bracket here. If a set represent by two curly bracket and under two curly bracket, if we get some elements, then it is known as roster method. This one is known as roster method. Is it clear? Roster method hobole hole ki hobo laibo duta curly bracketer majot jodi kisuman element thake aru he element bila kihedi separate kora thakibo laibo comma di. Then this type of form we can say roster form or roster method or tabular form. Is it clear? This one is roster. Very simple. Next one is here we get now the second one is set builder method. Set builder. So in this case what you get, you see set builder. In case of set builder, suppose a set, again we consider a set here. Now here in this case we have to write down the unique property, not whole element we have to write here. আমি গুটে এলিমেন্ট খিনি নিলিখম, ইয়ার আমি কি লিখিম? property to লিখিম. For example, if you see, if we write a roster form, suppose we write 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. That means what is the meaning of this one? 1 2 3 4 all are natural numbers or not? That means this A set contain all the natural numbers. tamne A set A to গুটে natural number খিনি include hoy ase. So this one is what? In between two curly bracket and separated by comma. That means this one is what? Roster form. And what we need now here? We need set builder form. So how can we represent this one as a set builder form? You see here A. Suppose if we write X, one alphabet we write, and here we have to write X belongs to N. Is it clear? আমি ইয়াত লৈ ললো X আৰু X to actually কি হয়? X belongs to N. Da mane X hoise eta natural number. To A equal to X lolo aru yar X mane ki hoy? X to eta natural number hoy. So jodi X to eta natural number hoy, e 1 hobo pare, 2 hobo pare, 3 hobo pare, 4 hobo pare, any natural number we get there. So yatso ek gutte result to ami 1 2 3 4 teneke likhi pla dot 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 je g2 result likhisilu hetu just eta properties or through di ami likhi thoi dilu keneke আমি কলো যে A equal to X, তারমানে A set to X element to আছে, X element to আছে, আৰু actually X element to কি হয়? X to এটা natural number হয়. তো natural number বুলি কলে ই 1 2 3 4 any natural number we can write here. So এই গুটে result আমি as a whole এটা unique property লিখি থৈ দিলো. Is it clear? Very simple. This one is set builder method and this one is what? Roster method. So these two are very important here. In exercise 1.1 the solutions are already given to you. So here ami ki koim, as to exercise 1.1 ase tat amar two types of question, converting into roster form, and the second one is converting into set builder form. So these two type of questions are there. So today we have to discuss these two type of questions. Hey question kini ami ya discuss karim, jodi discuss kora hoy jay tikala amar easily exercise to complete hoy jabe. Is it clear? Okay. Now if you see the exercise 1.1 question number 3, and the first question is given here. If you see the first question is here. So in the first question given, x is an integer and the value of x is lies between -3 and 7. So now here the first condition is given, x is an integer, and the condition is given x is lies between -3 and 7. So now here the value of x is integer, so the value of x is lies between -3 and 7. So here you see -3 and 7, these two are not included here. Yet x to ki hoy -3 aru 7 er majot ase, aru -3 aru 7 include hua nai, strictly dise na -3 ke dangor 7 ke horu. Jodi ami number line ot chao, suppose this one is -3, then after that this one is -2, and then we get -1, then 0. So in this way up to 7 we get according to our number line. Moi gote khini likha nai aru yat -3 per 7 or bhitor ekhini number ahibo, -2 -1 0 in this way, isn't it? So now here that means the elements, the numbers whatever we get, x is an integer. So integer boli koa matroke tato to tomar fraction number bilak nahe hoy ne, only positive numbers, negative including 0. So that means here as a whole the set easily we can write. So we have to convert this one into roster form. So that's why in between two curly bracket we have to write, and the results are we have to write -2 -1 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it clear? So this one is the roster form. For the first question the answer is like in this way we have to write. The value of x is lies between -3 and 7, so that's why -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it clear? So this one is the roster form. I think all of you understood this one. Okay, so now here after that if you see again the another question here, if you see the second question is given here, and the second question is given b equals to x is a natural number less than 6. So now in the second case the question is given x is a natural number, so the second one is x is a natural number less than 6. So here the set we have to write b equals to, so very simply very easily we can write this one, x is a natural number, x to ki hoy ta natural number hoy aru kat ke horu 6 ot ke horu. To 6 ot ke jodi horu hobole hoy ta ki natural number ahibo pare, 1 ahibo pare, 2 ahibo pare, 3 ahibo pare, 4 ahibo pare, 5 ahibo pare. So that means the results are we have to write here 1 2 3 4 5. Is it clear? So this one is the answer. X is a natural number less than 6. So less than 6 boli koise hekane 1 or pa ko leke ahibo 5 leke ahibo. Is it clear? So this one is the roster form here. So in this way another question, if you see here the third question, if you see the third question is given here, and the third question is given like in this way. See, x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of each digit is 8. That means see here the third question see, and this one is 2-digit number. The set is here 2-digit number hobo lagibo, aru logote condition to ki dise, their sum is 8. Sum to kiman hobo lagibo, 8 hobo lagibo. To 8 hobole hole ki hobo pare, 1 plus 7 8. Then next one is 2 plus 6 8, 1 plus 7, because 2-digit number we need and their sum must be here 8, so that's why 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 6 8. Then next one is 3 plus 5 8. Then next one is 4 plus 4 8. Next one is 5 plus 3 8. Again next one is 6 plus 2 8. Again next one is 7 plus 1 8. You see here these are the results, isn't it? These are the results here, 2-digit number. So except this any more here we get no. So that's why when we have to write down the roster form here, we have to write this one is 17, next one is we have to write 26, then next one we have to write 35, next one is 44, then next one is 53, next one is 62, next one is 71. Is it clear? These are the required answer. This one is the roster form here. So in this way, easily we can write down the roster form. I think all of you understood this one, isn't it? So in this way, the question number 3 easily you can complete. Is it clear? So after converting into roster form, next one is very important. How can we convert into set builder form? So now if you see the question number 4 and the first question is given here, the first question is write the following sets in the set builder form, and the first question is here 3, 6, 9, 12. So now here in the first question, here the first question is given 3, 6, 9 and then 12. Now here the main thing is what here? We have to identify the property here. Which property we have to apply? The unique property we have to identify. So here যিটো unique property applicable হৈ আছে সেই unique property to আমি identify কৰিব লাগে। যদি আমি ইয়াত ভালকে যদি question to চাওঁ, first one is 3, then second one is 6. তো 3 plus 6 পাবলৈ হলে আমি কেনেকৈ পাম? Next to আছে তোমাৰ 9. So that means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So multiple of 3. It multiple of 3 হৈ আছে, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Isn't it? So that's why here when we have to write down the set, suppose the set we write A, and here the unique property we have to write in this way, X such that set builder form likha pattern to silva A, and this one is X such that, and here X means what? X equals to thrice n, or you can represent another variable also, X equal to thrice n, and here this n means what? N means it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4. Is it clear? So ইয়াত so এতিয়া আমি set to A ললো, তাক ললো X, X মানে কি হয় 3n, তো n ৰ জায়গা যদি আমি 1 পুট কৰি দিও, 3 1s are 3, n ৰ জায়গা যদি 2 পুট কৰি দিও, 3 2s are 6, n ৰ জায়গা 3 পুট কৰিলে 3 3s are 9, 4 পুট কৰিলে 3 4s are 12. So this result we get here. Or this part, ইয়াত অকল 4টা ডিজিট আছে কাৰণে আমি ইজিলি এনেকে 1 2 3 4 লিখি দিও। সো যদি বহুত ডিজিট থাকে তেতিয়ালে আমি আৰু এটা প্যাটাৰ্ণ লিখিব পাৰো। কেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰো? Or we can write this result in this way also, 1 less than equals or greater than equals to, this one is n less than equals to 4. In this way also we can write. মই ইয়াতে এটো ক্লোজ কৰি দিছো, ইয়াৰ জায়গাত এটো লিখিব পাৰা। কেনেকৈ ইয়াত চোৱা, n ৰ ভ্যালু 1 বা 1 ৰ সমান, n ৰ ভ্যালু 4 4 বা 4 ৰ সমান। So 1 over 4 like 1 over 4 like 1 2 3 4. In this way you can write, or you can write like in this way also. I think it is more comfortable. So enike likhiba, so yat etu hoy gol tomar set builder form. So the unique property in this way we can identify. Is it clear? Very simple question here. We can solve like in this way. Okay, now next one is here. After one, the second question is, if you see here, the second question is here given. Again we have to convert this one into set builder form, and the second question is here 2 4 8 16 32. Now here the second question is here, second question is given 2 4 8 16 32. Which property we can apply here? You see unique property 2 ase, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 hobo lagisile, 3 9 6 9, tamne to multiple of 2 property apply hoy thaka nai. So now again you see here this one, yate moi bhangi dekhoisu, this one is 2, then this one is 4. 4 means we can write 2 square, then next one is 8, 8 means we can write 2 cube, isn't it? Then next one is 16, 16 means we can write 2 to the power 4. Next 32, 32 means we can write 2 to the power 5, and this one is 2 to the power 1. এনেকে আমাৰ set builder form লিখিবলৈ আমি এনেকে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব পাৰো। So the results are 2 4 8 16 32. That means 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. That means a property to yet applicable হৈ আছে। Is it clear? So this property how can we write? Suppose if we consider the set A, then here we have to write x. X means what? X such that x equals to 2 to the power n. So what the base একে হয় নাই? 2. So that's why we have to write 2, and the power is changed here. Power we have to write n. So where comma where n or value কি কি হ'ব পাৰে? Where n or value কি কি হ'ব পাৰে? 1 হ'ব পাৰে, 2 হ'ব পাৰে, 3 হ'ব পাৰে, 4 হ'ব পাৰে, 5 হ'ব পাৰে. So that means the value of n 1 2 3 4 and 5. This one. Is it clear? So this one is our required answer. X মানে কি 2 to the power n আৰু n ৰ ভ্যালু 1 2 3 4 5 হ'ব পাৰে। So গোটেই কিটা ৰিজাল্ট আমি ইয়াত পাই যাম। Is it clear? So in this way we can write in set builder form. Is it clear? I think all of you understood this one. So in this way we have to identify the unique property. Is it clear? Okay. Now if you see the third question here, the next question. Again, if you see the third question is given here, and the question is given like in this way: 5, 25, 125, 625. Isn't it? Very simple question here. So now again, if you see the third question: 5, 25, 125, and 625. So I think all of you understood which property we have to apply here. Very simple. This one is 5 to the power 1. Then next one is we have to write 5 square. 5 times are 25. Next one you have to write 5 cube. 5 5 5 125. Then the next one is we have to write here. Next one we have to write here 5 to the power 4. How? So this one is 5 to the power 4. So now here 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4, 5 5 5. That means this one is 625. So this unique property we have to apply here. So I think all of you understood this one. What you have to write? A, and then you have to write x such that x means what here? X equals to this one you have to write 5 to the power n. 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4. Isn't it? 5 to the power n. And where the value of n means what? Where n means we have to write here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it clear? So this one is our required answer. So in this way very easily we can convert a roster form into set builder form. I think all of you understood this one, isn't it? So in this way easily we can complete this exercise 1.1. So after all, if we write this type of questions here, very easily we can convert this one. And now here, if any doubt or any queries still remain here in this exercise 1.1, then you can ask me. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.